I heard you had a car accident. Are you okay?
Yeah, I did have an accident. Luckily, I wasn't hurt, but my car got badly damaged.
That sounds rough. How bad is the damage?
It's pretty bad. I took it to the auto repair shop yesterday, and I'm going there again today to find out what needs to be done.
I hope it's fixable without costing you too much. If you need a ride or anything, just let me know.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. I'll keep you updated once I know more.
Morning. I've taken a close look at your car after the accident. There are a few things we definitely need to replace.
Morning. What needs to be fixed?
Well, the left headlight and turn signal are both damaged beyond repair. We'll need to replace those, for sure.
What about the hood?
The hood itself is just bent out of shape. We can straighten that out without needing to replace it. Also, your windshield is completely okay. There are no issues there.
I thought the right fog lamp looked damaged when I last checked. Is that all right?
Actually, you're right about the right fog lamp. It's damaged. Additionally, the grille is also compromised and needs replacing. Plus, the front wheel tire is worn out and should be replaced for safety.
That sounds like a lot. How long do you think all these repairs will take?
Given the list of replacements and repairs, we're looking at a few days of work. I'd estimate around 3 to 5 days, depending on how quickly we can get the necessary parts.
Okay, can you keep me updated if anything changes or if it might take longer?
Definitely. We'll keep you informed every step of the way. And let you know if we encounter any delays. We'll aim to get your car back to you as quickly as possible.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Just let me know what I need to do next.
I will do. We'll start ordering the parts today. And I'll reach out as soon as we're ready to begin the repairs. Thanks for your patience.
Mark, did you take the car to the garage this morning? You know, before we drive all the way to New York, I want to have it properly checked.
Oh, sorry, didn't I tell you? I took it to the garage before I went to work, and I filled it up with petrol.
But did you have it serviced?
Yes. I had everything checked properly. Don't worry.
Really? Was it expensive?
Well, a bit. About $265, I'm afraid. I had the oil changed, you see.
$265 to have the oil changed?
No, not only oil. I had the windscreen wiper replaced too.
Oh, was that really necessary? It doesn't rain that much in New York. Oh dear, it's all so expensive.
The mechanic also said the tires weren't fantastic. But they would be okay till we get back. So I didn't have the tires changed.
Did you have anything else done?
Oh yes. I had the inside and the outside properly cleaned.
You had it cleaned? Couldn't you do that yourself?
But this is a professional job. Come and take a look.
Don't ever do that again without asking me first.
I'm really sorry. I didn't realize it would upset you. I just thought it would be nice to have it professionally cleaned.
Good day. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have a problem with my car. It won't go into gear properly.
Have you made an appointment with us?
No, I haven't. I'm not from this city, and the problem only started recently.
Then I'm afraid I have to disappoint you. You need to have an appointment with us.
And that's terrible. I urgently need the car. We were planning to drive to New York tomorrow morning for my grandfather's funeral.
Let me see what I can do. Please wait here while I talk to my boss.
Thank you very much.
You're in luck. My boss's daughter is celebrating her birthday today. And coincidentally, a customer just canceled his appointment.
What does that mean? Will you be able to repair my car now?
We'll repair it, but you'll need to wait a bit. as I'm currently finishing up with another regular customer's vehicle. Usually, our boss isn't so accommodating, but he's making an exception today. Where's the car?
The car is parked right in front of the workshop. It's the silver BMW.
It looks like the issue could be either with the clutch or the transmission oil. Please take a seat, and I'll check on the car right away.
Thank you very much.
You're lucky once again. It's just the transmission oil.
Thank God. I was worried I wouldn't make it in time for the funeral.
There's a problem, though. We've run out of the needed transmission oil, and the closest supply is in Green City, which is 170 kilometers away.
When will the car be ready?
It might take up to 6 hours.
That's too late. It needs to be ready by tonight.
Mr. Wilson, we can offer you a rental car at a discounted rate for today.
That's not an option for me. I prefer to drive my own car.
I understand, and I assure you that we are doing our best to get your car ready as soon as possible.
We'll go into the city to grab something to eat. Please inform me immediately when the car is ready. Here's my phone number.
I will. See you soon.
Hello, is my car ready yet?
Yes, the car is now running smoothly. You can pay the repair costs at our office, and then you're good to go.
Hello, what can I do for you today?
Hello? My car makes a clicking sound when I try to start it with the key or the start button.
That may be a battery problem. Over time, it can degrade and will need to be replaced every 5 or 6 years. What else have you noticed?
It also overheats.
That might be a cooling system issue. It's common when the radiator has a problem.
What is the radiator?
The radiator helps keep the engine from overheating by circulating coolant.
I also haven't changed the brakes in a long time. Could you check those too?
Absolutely, I'll check the brakes as well.
How much is all this going to cost?
I'll need to first check everything to determine what exactly is wrong. Then I can give you a precise estimate.
In a standard manual transmission vehicle, the pedals are arranged from left to right as the clutch, brake, and accelerator. The clutch pedal, positioned on the far left, is a crucial mechanical device that connects and disconnects the engine's power from the transmission. This function is essential for enabling smooth gear changes, allowing the driver to control the vehicle's power output more effectively. The brake pedal, located in the middle, serves as the primary device for slowing or stopping the vehicle. By pressing this pedal, the driver activates the braking system, which applies friction to slow down or halt the wheels. On the far right is the accelerator pedal, commonly known as the gas pedal. This pedal controls the speed of the vehicle by regulating the amount of fuel delivered to the engine. The more the pedal is pressed, the faster the vehicle can go, allowing the driver to increase speed as needed. The steering wheel is in front of the driver and is crucial for steering the car. It lets the driver turn the car left or right, helping navigate through turns and avoid obstacles effectively. Next to the driver, usually between the front seats, is the gear shift. This lever is used in cars with manual transmissions to switch gears, allowing the driver to select the best gear depending on the car's speed and the driving conditions. It's important for making sure the car runs smoothly and uses fuel efficiently. The handbrake, also known as the parking brake, is often located next to the driver's seat or in the middle console. It's used mainly to keep the car from moving when it's parked. It can also be used as an emergency brake if there's a problem with the main brakes.